Hello, everybody. So the news is having a hissy fit, a diaper rash over what they have caused throughout the years. Stay tuned. First, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the little subscribe button, the bell icon next to it, which will let you know every time I put out a video. And as always, I try to answer all comments, so go ahead and leave one. So for years now, the news media outlets have been slowly programming people, along with the help of schools, public schools, whom also been slowly indoctrinating our young. And as the older generation dies off, this world is slowly becoming more socialist, more the victim mentality. What do I mean by this? Now, this is not going to be a left versus right video. This is not going to be a Donald Trump or anti-Bernie or anything like that. I just want to show you what has been going on and point out what they have done, the news media outlets have done, as well as the schools. They're not happy with the ramifications, the outcome. For years, the news media outlets and the schools have taught that right is wrong and wrong is right. They have also taught slowly throughout the years that they are the victim. The parents grow up, have kids. The parents teach the kids that they're victims, as well as the schools. And you slowly have this resurgence of socialism. When somebody believes they are a victim because life is difficult, it's not like an MTV sitcom or something, when they have to work hard for what they want out of life, they now believe because of that they are victims. And who are they victims of? Well, it's the rich people, obviously. It's funny, I always say, get a job from a poor person. See how that works out for you. But they grow up believing that they are victims. They grow up believing that hard work is just a manifestation of victimhood, of somebody keeping them down. And when you grow up believing you're a victim and somebody comes along promising you all kinds of free stuff, will take care of it for you, who do you think they're going to vote for? They're going to vote for socialism. They can't do it on their own because they're a victim. Therefore, they need a permanent mommy and daddy government to do it for them. News media outlets like MSNBC are the creators of this new society. Now it's biting them in the ass because they're seeing the repercussions. They're seeing what happens when you get a victimhood mentality society being allowed to vote what they vote in. They want socialism. They want communism. And these folks, these news media outlets, are having a diaper rash over it. You take a look at Venezuela and other communist countries. The people were tricked into voting for it. I want to end this video by giving you one warning. You can vote in socialism, but it'll take war to get rid of it. Take care, folks.